Here's how to make a felt ball pom-pom garland, perfect for holiday decor or to add a colorful touch to your home. Let's do it. To make a felt pom-pom garland, you will need felt balls, baker's twine or similar string, a large eye sewing needle, and scissors. I also added wooden beads just to add an extra size and texture to my garland. You want to start by sorting your pom-poms into colors if you want a color pattern. If you buy assorted pom-poms, they're probably going to be in a wide variety of colors like mine are. So I just sorted them to be like colors. Then you're going to take your needle and stick it right through the center of the pom-pom. They don't have holes in them, but what's cool is as you pull the thread through, they hold their space. So you can see here I had a little bit of a spacing about the equivalent size of my pom-pom. You can also push them flush together like that blue and the green one. You have a lot of possibilities. You're just going to keep threading these over and over again until you get your desired length. Now you might want to cut your string to a certain length, or you might just want to go till you use up all your pom-poms. You can't go wrong. At the end, you're going to tie a knot on both ends of the string. I actually tied a little loop, and then you can hang it up on your banister, on your mantle, or I strung them along these felt leaves that I made for my son's 2-year-old bedroom. I hope that you enjoyed, and let me know if you have any questions about making a felt ball garland.